ice pack in case we have injuries.
You brought an ice pack?
You never know when you're going to need an ice pack.
Yeah, so when we splatter on the ground, that ice pack will really help.
I went for a run this morning. I twisted my ankle. That's why I really haven't. Well, I can't
She went on a run because it was going to be her last one.
Would you stop saying that? You're going to put a curse on us.
No, she's fine.
Try this, Dad.
All right.
Turn left onto Boulder Hill Pass.
Tastes like
It is a Dunkin' Donuts.
tastes like a melted
And it's
frozen
got a
malt.
little beers on there.
Man, why
Let's
didn't we
try
have
it.
her join the mukbang?
Let me have her what?
Join the
Ooh,
mukbang.
that
you
is
care?
delicious.
Zoom in.
Continue.
Look at these young kids out there running already.
Running from the active shooter.
So
Nothing like gives you a running incentive like gunfire. I know, I can't believe this is clouding up like this.
maybe it's God's way of saying, you know
Are we, you think we're wasting our time driving out there?
God's way of saying he's gonna put the clouds in the sky so you can't see when you hit the ground.
I don't know, those are
Stop saying this shit.
Look how beautiful. Do you realize
Damn, look at that car.
how beautiful it's going to be coming down, though? Look at all the trees are turning colors. It's going to be awesome. I'm so excited.
We'll see all the colors when you hit the ground, too.
all you'll see is red and black.
We have to have one last hug.
Wow. I am shaking like crazy.
I can see that.
I don't need your comfort.
Oh, wow, you douche.
recording like other
Amazing.
people.
I loved it. I would do it again. Sign me up.
And then
Did you have a good time?
Then
with
he's
Dan?
like, yeah, he's like, smile for the pictures. And it's a good thing there's no audio on it because he just hear me like, what the fuck are we doing?
It was amazing.
There was a lot of breeze skydiving. Oh shit, I couldn't breathe. Like, yeah, the straps were a little uncomfortable, but
Really?
I'd rather have.
Yeah, well, it didn't do that last time. So
Well, maybe he just wanted you a little closer to his dick.
that was the 5th point of contact.
Yeah, me too. It's like once we hit the ground, it's like, oh, thank
Is that
God
why
I'm
you
on
were
the ground.
rolling on the ground?
Wait, you were on the ground?
Yeah,
like,
when he landed, he was on the ground. And his buddy's like, "You need help getting up?" He's like, "No, I got it," and he's just laying there.
Holy
What the
shit.
fuck?
was
I
just
thought you were
like-
joking.
I was joking. I was just glad to be on the ground.
Yeah, right. He's like, oh fuck, I just shit my pants. Your mom was like breathing. She was like,
Well, no, I always do that.
she was nervous as shit.
That's
No,
how
I
I naturally
wasn't.
breathe.
Yeah, she was.
I swear I was.
I think she was crying.
You're so full of shit. I was fine.
Yeah. The guy I was with, he's taps me on the shoulder. He's like, he's pointing at Bob's hand. Bob's hand was like shaking.
I know, he was like fucking twitching on the way here. I was like, bro, you okay?
Yeah, it's not like you're getting ready to jump out of a fucking airplane.
He's like, I don't need your comfort.
I told my brother about it. This is the first time I was gonna go jump. He started messing with it. He says, well, they free fall for about a half hour. And she's like, what? And she says, yeah, they go up and they circle the sun, and then they,
Your brother said this to your mom?
yeah, and she believed him. She says, do you know you circle the sun and you fall for like a half hour? I'm like, what are we jumping out of the fucking spaceship?